Hey, what's up, y'all? So this video really has no intro, no title. I literally just started recording. So this one, I'm really excited about this tutu. So I finally opened up my Etsy shop international just to see how my sales would be. Things like that. I got my first order for the UK. So this is the tutu that they had purchased, and I'm just getting started. It's a real simple one. It's just a Barbie tutu set, but hey, you know what? We international, baby. What? So just kick back, relax, and enjoy this video. It's a pretty short one. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm trying to get more regular with making, filming videos, all that good stuff. So I think that I want to jump in on this 25 days of craftmas, but I don't know what I want to make. So I think I'm going to do a variety of things. So all my videos from here on out are probably just going to be like a mass rando of all the things that I can think of. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah. Bye.